Hi, I'm Mac,
And I'm Megan.
and this is Little Red Riding Hoot. She is an Eastern Screech Owl here at the Black Hills Raptor Center, an ambassador for all wildlife, birds specifically, and she goes around to different schools and whatnot, and since schools are closed down, we're going to do a little video to share with all you. So, Little Red Riding Hoot is an Eastern Screech Owl. They are found here in the Black Hills. They are cavity nesters, which is what we're going to talk about mostly today. So they really depend on trees to survive, nest in, raise their young. So camouflage is really important to these Eastern Screech Owls, and Little Red here is of the red variety. That's why we call her Little Red.
Just like me.
They also come in gray morphs or varieties, which are a little bit more common. Either way, you can see all these nice streaks and colorations which really help them blend into their environment and protect themselves against larger owls, which are predators. So these little guys and girls nest in cavities and swoop down during the night, meaning they're nocturnal, and hunt for little animals such as mice, voles, maybe even small birds, earthworms. They're not too picky. I'm not sure about all you out there, but they eat pretty much anything they can get their little talons on. And when they're in their cavities, the females anyway, they raise broods around this time of year actually of about 2 to 6 eggs. And those eggs are about an inch wide and long, little tiny things which take about a month to hatch, and then afterwards, about a month of surviving, being brought food, it's time for them to fly off into the world and start to hunt for themselves.
So against this bark wall, you can see how Red's camouflage really matches her with her surroundings amazingly, especially in the forest where there's speckles of shadow and little bits of light that come through the leaves. Eastern Screech Owls can be almost impossible to see in the wild. This is definitely one of the species that is more often heard than seen. Now right now she's really alert, so you can see her huge yellow-green eyes that alert you to her presence a little more, but when their eyes are closed, they're almost impossible to see.
So Little Red here is an injured bird that came to us here at the Black Hills Raptor Center. That's why we have her in accordance with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife permit.
So screech owls like Red rely on hollowed out parts of trees. Now screech owls can't do that themselves, so they rely on pieces of trees that are hollowed out by other animals like woodpeckers, maybe squirrels, or rot, fungus, things like that. So this is a little nest cavity that we have for her to demonstrate the type of habitat they would be in the wild. So if you want to protect screech owls, help protect their habitat and all the other species that help create that habitat for them. Now, you may be stuck at home right now with your family, and a great activity that you can do to help protect screech owls is to make nest boxes.
If you want to build a nest box with your family, check out the American Kestrel Partnership, where you can find instructions on how to build nest boxes that fit both Eastern Screech Owls and our noisy neighbor Hendrix there, American Kestrels, online.
From all of us at the Black Hills Raptor Center, stay safe and keep social distancing.